Now to do a linking panels, we go to align. We aligned these ones down there already. These ones are aligning from the back. I think it depends which way they flip, but it doesn't matter. This one, I want to align these sheets to this bit here, so we get two of these 3.23 sheets. And I might align this one so that it starts on a sheet there. There'll be a waste regardless. And this one is lining up with there, and so with same with that. So see if we can get that to line up, those sheets line up there like that. Okay, great, now we're ready, and we go to link panels. And we add and choose a color. And then we select the panels that we want. We may as well start with this one here. Making sure we've got all the little bits. And we add. We're going to add these. And we're going to add these. And we're going to add all of these. And then link together. So you can override any of those measurements or numbers of sheets. In this case, it's 24 panels is what it should be, so maybe 25 with that extra sheet down there. And you could add an extra one if you wanted to cover off any mistakes made. To do the next one, we simply choose a new color and continue. You can see that's worked out a bit better. So then we do this final one here on the upper story. Click on add a new one. Pick a green color this time. Add those two sheets and then add that and link, and it should be 4 at 3.23. Then down the bottom, choose this color. This time all of those sheets, all of these sheets. We should end up with 12. So it's given us one extra. I don't think we need one extra there. Then we simply upload to Trak. We've already set up our settings. Let's check these menu sections. We might import and have ground floor and upper. So we simply save the job, then we go to Trak, upload, choose the job that we want to choose, the report that we want, and click OK. Then we're going to start a new project. So we'll choose an existing customer. Roofing specialist, there we go. The address has come through, address 1 and 2. And it comes through, shows we've got a material order, a purchase order, a quote. We've uploaded some different, the source file, the PDF of the Word document, and a couple of images. And we can go directly to that job. And there it is. So you can see there's the source file, the XML file, the PDF of the Word document that's uploaded, a couple of images, so we'll just have a look at this image. This has got the flashings on it, and this can be all customized. It's got the background image as well as the measurements, and you can make those measurements bigger and smaller as well. So if we look at the, let's look at the material order first. You can see all of the products have come through. These are just the cutting lists for when you go to order. And then here is all of the products split into the ground and first floor. And if we go back to the purchase order, which will be for the labour, these can all be separated by having different supplier names. So if you had different labour for different from different companies, then you could have that all separated into separate purchase orders. Go to the quote. You can see these are all fictitious numbers. Ground floor didn't have very much roof area. First floor has more. You can see it's subtotaled with the different sections. There you go.